What's up, dudes and dolls? It's your boy Hunter Fox here at Glass Longboards in my basement build-a-board workshop. I'm going to do a quick tutorial video for you all on the wheel replacement and, wheel replacement, change, whatever you want to call it, on the drive tire of the Onan 2 booster kit from kilowatt.com. I tried it before I started filming and actually put the wheel on backwards, and that was hard to get off, so I'll show you which side needs to go on where. It's just 4 little screws, 3/32 to be exact, 4 little hex screws. This is the fun part right here, buddy. Taking out 4 tiny screws. You want to be careful with these screws because they do have little washers on them. And you can lose those pretty quick. I almost lost one. Luckily, it landed under my shoe. Good old DC slip-on saved the day again. Alright. Once you have all the little screws removed, there's this black ring right here that comes right off. Set that off to the side. And you just pull that off like so. Kind of worn. I'll save them as spares. Actually, I'll probably put them back on after I'm done with this video. I think I remember correctly which side goes on where. Sorry if my luscious flowing locks are getting in the way of the camera. Ooh, that's on there. They can come off a lot easier than they go on. If it helps, when you're putting these sheaths on, rotate your tire. And every time you push in at the top, rotate it again, push it in, and just repeat that process until the wheel sets. Whew. It's tight. Holy crap. They sure do come off a lot easier than they go on. That's for sure. That's seated correctly. All right. That looks golden. Now, just reverse the process to put the wheel casing back on. What we got sticking up there? Once again, go. Don't mind me talking to myself. Sometimes I need expert advice. Tighten them all down. Till they stop, and then give them one good ugga-dugga. Like so. Wow, that's almost perfectly flush. Boom. And there you have it, ladies and gents. That's how you change the wheels, the drive wheels on the Onan 2 booster kit from kilowatt.com. Simple process, should take about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm going to do a little redesign work on this. This is the test bed platform for the electric longboards I'll be selling. Gotta have the Grateful Dead. Check me out on Glass Longboards. Let me see if I can get this in the shot. On Facebook. There we go. Remember to like the video, share the video, and leave your commentary in the comments section. Have a great one.